going to show you how I will bake my first ever cake. Hi fam! Welcome back to our channel. This is Miss A, your classy beauty savvy, and today I'm going to attempt to make a Vlogmas or to join Vlogmas. Yan! So this is day 1 of Vlogmas. Yan, nakakabulol yung Vlogmas. So, ayun. Today, I am going to show you how I will bake my first ever cake para sa aking mahal na anak na si... Tahan! Show them my love. Show your face. Oh, she's sleepy. Si Beauty! She's my dog at magse-celebrate na siya ng first birthday tomorrow. So, we're going to make a cake for her. Again, first time kong gumawa ng cake. So, first, let me show you the haul. Alright, so ito yung mga nabili ko from Shopee. And if you're interested, just let me know para malink ko yun or masend ko sa inyo yung link via chat box or sa comment section below. So, ito yung mga binili nating items for the cake. So, actually, ito ay hindi ko binili. It's part of our exchange gift ng aking mga super friends sa Matugs. They are my college best friends. So, this is one of my wish lists. So, binigyan niya ako ng cake turntable. Ayan. Something like this. And I'll show you how it looks sa real life later on. Real life. And then, ito, meron tayong mga measuring spoons. Ayan. So, actually, ito, hindi to binili. This one is from my auntie. So, pinadala niya to sa akin. We also have measuring cups. Ayan. Ayan. So, kailangan natin to measure our mga ingredients. And then, this one I bought sa SM Mega Mall. And this one is their vanilla liquid. And I guess 50 pesos lang to sa Mega Mall. And I got this from the store Wonder Bake. Parang ganon. I forgot. But I'll check it. And I'll just link it here. Ayan. And we also have food coloring from Shopee. This one is gel. Food coloring. Gel-based color. Yan. And I got the shade deep pink. Yan. Deep pink siya pero mukhang hindi siya deep pink. Right? Parang corally shade siya. Ito yung gagawin nating pang-icing. And then we also have this one. Yung ating baking tray or mold. Yan, ito siya. And I bought this 6-inch one na pabilog. Only I can show you. There you go. Baking mold. And this one is from Cake Mold, sorry. From Mega Mall din. Ayan. So, natatanggal yung dulo nito or yung bottom nito para madali mong ma-pop yung cake out. And then, we also bought itong mga I don't know, cone? Cake cone? Ito yata yung tawag doon. So, ito yung para maging smooth yung ating icing around the cake. I got 3 different options here, again, from Shopee. Then, we also have, this one is also from our exchange gift with my dearest friends. So, ito yung aking in-order, mga pipe, request. Nasa wishlist ko to, yung mga pipes. Ayan. We also have bags for the icing thing. Tapos, itong nasa gitna. Yan. I have yet to figure out kung paano gamitin yung iba dyan. Pero, at least we have a set na. And then, we also have the spatulas. Ayan. Para maayos natin yung cake. Alright. So, there you go. And then, we have this one. Wow, you can see me. Tada! Ito yung ating cake cardboard. Para dito natin ilalagay yung cake. So, what cake am I planning to make? It will be yung very uso ngayon na minimalist cake lang. After all, hindi naman ako marunong mag-bake. So, we will try it for the first time. So, let's do it together. And it's not from scratch. I am just going to use a cake mix. You know, hindi pa ako sobrang galing, so don't expect too much. And you will see it kung paano ang magiging outcome ng ating baking or ng ating cake. So, let's go down and set it all up. Hello, Beauty. Oh, our dog's barking. Ayan siya. She's taking a bath with Daddy. Preparing for tomorrow because it's her first birthday. Hi, Beauty. Say hi to the vlogs. She's so serious. Ganyan siya pag pinapaliguan. Fun. Yan, inutusan pa akong kumuha ng treats. So, di pa tayo nakakapag-start mag-vlog or mag-bake. Wait a minute. Okay. Let me show you the treats if you're interested. Sobrang gusto to ni Beauty, my baby. And this is the Charcos dog treats. Favorite niya to. Sabi dito, it reduces body odor, bad breath, or stool odor. Yan. And kulay itim siya kasi charcoal. And ito yung other benefits niya. Yan. So, gustong-gusto niya to. And it's only 109 pesos from Pet Express. Ayan. So, let's bring it down.
Sit na.
Oh, sit na, bebe.
Sit.
Wow.
Good girl.
Ni. Ni.
Dito, dito.
Like it? Where you going? You like it? Say thank you, Mommy. Say thank you. Let's start baking. Ito na. So, we have our mixing bowl. And then I'm using this Funfetti na cake mix. You can buy this at any grocery store. And it's a confetti cake. So, may mga sparkles siya after baking. Then, 1 cup of water. And we'll just have to mix it sa ating mixture or powder. There. And then, I'm adding oil, 1/2 cup. Oil. There we go. And then we have some eggs, right? 3 whole eggs. And then we are going to use a mixer for that para ma-mix natin ng maayos ang lahat ng mga ingredients. I got this mixer from Shopee then. There. Looks like this, and it should look like the consistency should be like this. Now, you have to preheat the oven for a few minutes, 175 degrees Celsius. Now, we're ready, or we're going to use now the cake mold. And we'll just pour the batter in, like so. The cake. Right, so there we go. Putting it in the oven.
Isa lang yan.
There, then we have to wait for 38 minutes or even more than that. So, ayan na siya. This is the cake. Ang cute-cute. 6-inch nga ulit yung ating cake mold. And then, may natira pa dun sa batter. So, we use that parang planera. Okay, now it's time to make the icing. I'm using butter, unsalted butter, and then this one is condensada. 2-ingredient icing lang siya. And then the mixer again. So, 1.5 stick of butter. Yan. So, putul-putulin nyo na rin siya para madali siyang ma-mix. Ayan. I got this ingredient from a YouTuber then. I'll be linking her video below para makita niyo rin yung original source. 1/2 cup of condensed milk naman after natin ma-mix yung or ma-blend or ma-mix yung butter. So we're going to blend them together again using a mixer. There, and it should look like that. Now we're going to use food color like this one. The deep pink na food color, and then wag masyadong madami because it, a little goes a long way kapag food color ang ginagamit mo. There, then it's time for the vanilla liquid. half table or half teaspoon. There. And then just mix it again. Now, back sa cake. Look at this. Super convenient nitong cake mold na to. Sobrang satisfying. Natanggalin siya sa kanyang mold. Walang dumikit. Now, we're just going to cut the top part para maging flat siya. And yan. Be extra careful lang. And it's time to put the icing. So, yan. Ito na yung turntable na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. So, now we're going to put the icing on top and on the edges or dun sa gilid. And one of the main mistakes that I have done, dahil first time ko, hindi na ako masyado naghintay na palamigin yung cake. So, medyo mainit pa siya. If you notice, natutunaw yung icing.
Naku, pababa! Mabali.
Another fail. Nakalimutan ko siyang i-cut bago ako mag-icing. So, look. Matuto kayo sa akin, guys. Huwag niyong gagawin to. So, again, nakalimutan ko kasi. So, ang pangit niya. But anyway, matatakpan naman to. So, okay lang. So, yan. Another lesson learned. Another lesson learned, guys. If you can see, nasa-scrape ko yung sariling icing niya na nilagay ko. So, it means to say, hindi pa ganun katigas yung icing or natutunaw siya agad. And you know what? Why? Kasi meron akong electric fan na habang ako'y nag-icing. And it's a big no-no pala. Do not use or tutuhan ng electric fan yung ina-icingan ninyo or else sobrang magtatagal kayo. Finally, gumanda-ganda na siya, guys. Ito, niref ko to ng many times. Like, twice ko siyang niref para mas tumigas yung icing niya. Or kasi buttercream to eh. Look at that! Looks so nice. Now, I'm just decorating the cake. Almost done, you guys. Finally, after 5 hours. It has been a long day. What? I'm vlogging. Tingnan? Nagsura ng anak natin. Oh, see, even Beauty is so tired today. She just wants to meme. She's a very chubby bunny. Good night. Say good night. Good night, everyone. I'll see you again tomorrow. Good night. Good night, fam. Sobrang haggard ko na. I'll see you again tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Night!